How to know if Facebook is down or have a bug. So if your Facebook has some problems, you can head over right here to your Google Chrome. And then on your search settings, just head over and search in here, is Facebook down? You can head over and then search for that. And in here you can see this down detector. Just click on that. And then once you have done that, scroll down and you can see in here the spikes or blue green spikes. So you can see that on this particular hour, which is August 13th at around 12:44 p.m., there's actually a lot of reports that has some numbers that actually not good, which means that on those particular time, the Facebook is down. But as of right now, there's actually a few reports and you can head over and then just make sure to detect it with this particular method. And that way you will know if Facebook has a login problem, server connection, or something else a bug. So that's how you know if Facebook is down or have a bug. Hope we helped.